here's a metal lathe, and I need somewhere to put my instructional booklets for kids. You know, something that can sit on a wall. So I started by drawing this up in CAD, then I imported it into Illustrator just so I could add some text. I find that's easier to do. I got 2 pieces for the side, 1 for the front. Once I get these cut out of 16 gauge steel, I should be able to fold them and put them together with rivets. As usual, I got it imported into SheetCam. I've generated my G-code toolpaths. Threw it into the Fast Cut CNC Mach 3. And now it's time to cut it out. One little piece at a time. Now these little tabs that you see getting cut out will make folding easier. One second. So to make this work, I did have to trim a couple things. Next time I make one, I'll include that in my designs. So I just use an angle grinder and a zip disc buzz, 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 no buzz. That way everything fits together nicely on the inside. So I think I'm just going to mount it on here, and then anybody who needs a book from one of my other stations can grab it. There we go. Anybody who needs a lathe project can come here, grab one, and hopefully put it back when it's done. I will share my DXF file that I made. It still needs some tweaking. So for anybody who wants that DXF file, I'll throw that up in a link. or something. I also use an Illustrator file to add the final things, but the main shapes are going to be in a DXF file, and you can tweak those things to work for your needs. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this.